Hi guys! So mag-withdraw tayo ngayon dito sa luxury car. So may 607 tayo, no? So withdraw lang tayo na 607. So may 5% tax fee, kaya 576 lang papatos. Withdraw now. So payment in progress na po siya. Ayan. So ang inabil ko po pala dito is 580. Yung iba po kasi dyan, commission ko, once na may na-invite po kayo, may 30%, no? Feeling ko pumasok na siya guys. Ayan. You have received 576 of Gcash Card. Ayan. Sobrang bilis po ng withdrawal dito sa luxury cars addiction. Ayan. 607. 576 po kasi po may 5% fee. Ayan. Yun po yung proof na pumasok. Tapos itong you have received money in Gcash Card sa Pilipinas naman yun. So paying pa din naman yung Pilipinas pati itong luxury car. Yun lang po yung update. So ang ano po dito, in-invest ko po dito is noong July 15, nag-invest ako ng 560. So, may 20 pesos ka po kasi na libre once nag-sign in ka. Tapos, ang inabil ko po na product is itong 300 pesos yung Maserati. Ayan. Para meron tayong 42.72 na daily income. Tapos, itong po, Maserati na VIP, 280. So, 580 lahat. Since may 20 pesos na libre, 560 lang po yung aking ni-recharge noong July 15. So yun guys, paying na paying pa naman po si Luxury Car Addiction tsaka si Philippines. I hope magtagal pa po sila. If you want to invest guys, invest what you can afford to lose. Ilalagay ko na lang sa aking pin comment section yung aking link. And pag may katanungan po kayo, mag-comment lang po kayo, sasagutin ko po. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates po if paying pa ba sila or hindi na. Thank you for watching. Bye! Love you all. Mama Chup Chup.